Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create really nice paper wave transition in CapCut PC. It's super cool and looks really nice. So I'm gonna add this video here. I'm gonna crop this video around here and I'll add another video and I'll add a transition right over here. So if you want to add a transition, what you have to do is to go to transitions here and then you go to slide. No, to mask. And here, if you are in transition, we have mask and then we have tearing paper. Grab this and add to this video. To between your videos, now increase the duration. You can do it from here or from here by grabbing this. And now you have this really nice effect. Look. Really cool effect is not, it's like really nice effect. And you can try other effects here. Maybe you might want to add a erase effect. You can try this effect as well. Now we have this erase effect. So I really hope, guys, you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more, and if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial, let me know in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.